Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 25th, 2025, we're taking a deep dive into GBPUSD, analyzing both the latest news and its impact on the charts. Recent headlines point to GBPUSD holding above 1.3600 after the ceasefire lifts the market mood, though this ceasefire is considered fragile. We also see the Bank of England taking a more dovish stance, possibly hinting at lower interest rates in the future. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart and see how these events are playing out. Looking at the broader picture, we can see a significant period of volatility, with the pair experiencing both upward and downward swings. Notice the recent consolidation around the 1.35 to 1.36 level. This suggests a potential area of indecision or accumulation before the next major move. To get a better sense of short-term trends, let's look at the 1-hour chart. Here, we can observe more granular price action and identify potential support and resistance levels. The recent bounce from 1.3594, as mentioned in Forex.com's article, suggests that this level could act as a short-term support. We can expect this level to be retested. Zooming into the last few days on the 1-hour chart, we can see a clearer picture of the recent sideways movement. The pair seems to be testing resistance around the 1.3630 level, in agreement with FX Street forecasts. If the price breaks above this resistance, we could see a continuation towards 1.3700 and potentially 1.3740 as indicated by FX Street. Now let's analyze the 15-minute chart for even finer details. On this time frame, we can identify potential entry and exit points for scalping or short-term trades. The current consolidation suggests that traders should be cautious and wait for a clear breakout before committing to a position. Considering the news, a dovish bow may put downward pressure on the pound in the short term. However, a weaker US dollar, as mentioned by James Stanley on Forex.com, could provide support to GBPUSD. Overall, the risk sentiment related to the ceasefire is a significant factor that could reverse if tensions escalate again. To recap, key levels to watch are 1.3594, short-term support, 1.3611, key inflection point, 1.3630, immediate resistance, and 1.3700, potential upside target. Based on the current data, a break above 1.3630 with strong volume is about 60% likely to lead to further gains towards 1.3700. Conversely, a break below 1.3594 is around 70% likely to signal a move towards 1.3500. Keep an eye out for upcoming economic data releases from both the UK and the US. Durable goods orders, Fed speeches, GDP, and inflation data from the US could significantly impact the USD. Also, any comments from both speakers and growth figures from the UK can also affect the GBP. Good luck and happy trading!